how to activate Summer Pass in Royal Match. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate the Summer Pass in Royal Match. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to activate the Summer Pass in Royal Match, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Reach level 37. You must reach level 37 in the game to activate the Summer Pass. Step 2. Purchase the Summer Pass. Buy the Summer Pass to unlock extra rewards and gain access to special bonuses. Step 3. Use the Summer Pass before the month ends. The activated Summer Pass is valid only until the end of the month. Once the new month begins, the special bonuses will no longer be available. Step 4. Claim unclaimed rewards. Any unclaimed rewards before the beginning of a new month will be automatically added to your inventory. So that's how you can activate the Summer Pass in Royal Match. That's all for this video.